Hello and welcome you all. Today we are starting chapter 2 of our class 9th polynomial. Unit 1 has already uploaded. If you have not seen it, kindly go through it and then watch this video. So before polynomial, we are going to study what are algebraic expressions. Students, an algebraic expression is an expression of some constant into variable की power rational number. The exponent of variable is always rational number. As you already know what are rational number in chapter number 1. Polynomial is also an algebraic expression in which power of variable is whole number. It means that in polynomial algebraic expression there is some constant into variable raised to power whole number. The power should always be whole number. It cannot be negative integer. It cannot be rational number. So we have concluded till now that all rational number are not whole number, but all whole number are rational number. Also, all polynomials are algebraic expression, but all algebraic expression are not polynomial. Hence, vice versa is not true. Now, let us take some example and observe which are polynomial and which are not. So first is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Yes, as variable power is whole number, so first is polynomial. Similarly, second is also polynomial. And third, student, 3 root p plus t root 2. Or it can also be written as 3 t raised to the power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. As you can see that exponent of the variable in the polynomial is not whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. And our fourth example, x की power 10 plus y की power 3 plus t की power 50. This is a polynomial in 3 variables. Here variables are x, y and t. Now we will see what are the coefficients of a polynomial 5x square plus 6x cube and minus 2x5. There are 3 terms. Here coefficient of x square is 5, coefficient of x cube is 6 and coefficient of x5 is minus 2. So this is how you can find the coefficient of any polynomial. Now student comes to classification of polynomial, in which we will study types of polynomial, how many terms are there in a polynomial, degree of polynomial. So as you can see, I have made a chart so it will be easier for you all to do questions of exercise 2.1. So as per classification, a polynomial consists of some constant, that is any fixed value, and a variable. So when we combine of two or more terms connected by positive, negative, divide or multiply, these all are operators, then an algebraic expression will form and each part is called as term. Now what are degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable in a polynomial. And number of terms, there are how many terms in a polynomial? If there is one term in a polynomial, then this is known as monomials. For example, 3, 4x minus 3 upon y. If an expression has two terms, that means it is binomial. For example, ax plus b. In this, ax and b are two terms. Therefore, an expression which has two terms is called binomials. And third, if an expression has three terms, then it is known as trinomials. For example, ax square plus bx plus c. Now, according to the degree of polynomial can be classified as, if the degree of polynomial is 0, then it is called constant polynomial. For example, 2, minus 5, 3. Any number except 0 can be called as constant polynomial. And second is, if a polynomial have degree 1, then it is called linear polynomial. For example, ax plus b. Here a and b are constants and a is not equal to 0. Because if a is 0, then it becomes constant polynomial. Now third is, if a polynomial have degree 2. So this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. For example, ax square plus bx plus c. Here a, b, c are again constants and a is not equal to 0. And third is a polynomial which have degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Again, here a, b, c, d are constants and a is not equal to 0. Now, one more important thing, students. What are zero polynomial? In zero polynomial, coefficient of each term is 0. And we cannot find the degree of any zero polynomial. For example, if it is 0 into x की power 0, we will always get 0. If it is 0 into x square, again we will get 0. So degree is undefined. We cannot find the degree in zero polynomial.